decided to do some filming outside so you can see what our storefront looks like. And we have parking in the driveway to the left of the building and across the street. So there's plenty of parking.
We're located right on 85 Homer Ave.
So we wanted to show off our nice landscaping that Reagan's brother helped do. The name of their business
is Butterworth Landscaping, and you can get a free estimate by calling 315-440-2336.
We really appreciate it. It's made a big difference in the way the picture house looks now. We're proud of it. We'd also like to let you know that we will be producing a series of YouTubes, conservation framing,
and conservation matting and glass.
And one of the specialties that we do is hide that on the back of dust covers. It protects them better than paper, and it's also conservation. So I hope you'll look for those in the near future.
Since you watched this video, there'll be more to come, but our special promotion this week is check out the Cortland Area Tribune for 10 free picnic house dollars.
So that's about it now. So from David and Reagan, we hope to see you here, and thank you for watching our video.
Bye!
Bye!
Is it okay?